What's good, YouTube?
We back?
Yes, this video is long awaited because we've had this diffuser for a while now. It's been, you know, a good one.
It's been fire. I mean, when we did it like a few years ago, I hadn't seen nobody really that was doing it. We had seen one charger. I think I have a picture. I could put it up right here that did it. We had to park next to them.
Yes.
But that's really the only other time I had seen it in person. So we're gonna be showing you how to install the best diffuser on your Dodge Charger.
How to install and paint, or we're gonna paint it, make it like this ourselves.
Oh yeah, because it didn't come like this. It was all black, this gloss black whenever we first got it. So now that we know what we're doing, we might see if it comes out even better this time. So we're kind of excited. We can see what's up.
Yep.
We do need to go to Harbor Freight though and get maybe a few more things. So let's do that right now.
Yep, and then we'll show you what everything you need. Okay, so we're back from Harbor Freight, and we just had to get a couple things there. We had to get some painter's tape, and then either plastic or this paper stuff to kind of, you know, help out in a second, you'll see. And then we got this little box cutter thingy to cut, like, you know, whatever we need to cut. So yeah, and then also we already had the red paint that we need, and then some sandpaper, and then the diffuser itself.
Great packaging. Alright, so first up, we're just gonna lay kind of like a layer all around this edge right here. And if you want, you could do the fins. We're gonna do the fins because this is how we like it. So you're gonna lay them on the outside, and we'll show you right now. All right, so this is what it's looking like after. You're just gonna want to cover up all these black parts with whatever paper, plastic that you have. So we'll get to that right now. So after step 2, which would be just wrapping all this stuff up, we're gonna move on to step 3, which is gonna be sanding. So I've done a little bit on this side. We're just gonna go ahead and finish it up on this side. This is just to help the paint stick to the surface a little bit better and give you just a better overall finish for whatever color you choose.
This is what size we got? P320. That's the size we're using.
Yeah, we got a whole pack of them, but I feel like this one probably is doing the job pretty well for this. So this is what I would recommend. All right, after you're done sanding, you're just gonna move on to painting. So, you know, just crack it open.
Got our red paint.
And then probably we're gonna do like 3 coats, but this will just be the first one.
All right, so this is kind of the first coat, just a little light, some light, you know, get it all. We'll do a bunch of layers and we'll show y'all. Okay, we went ahead, sprayed a little bit more, did like another coat. Now we're gonna let it dry for a little bit, come back, and do another one. Okay, and this was coat number 3. And see, it's looking, you know, there's still some spots. It's looking good though. You probably could do it in less coats, but you want to do it like kind of far away, you know, so it doesn't get all goopy and gloppy. So we're just doing it light sprays, light layers until we get the look we want. Alright, I think this is the number 6 or something like that.
Probably the final coat, honestly.
Yeah, it's looking real good. Nice and candy red. That's the color we got, candy red. It's the brand and everything. And then we also didn't say, because we had this already, clear. We're doing it just in case, but you may not need it. But we're gonna do it just in case. But yeah, we'll show y'all in a little bit. We're gonna let it dry. And yeah. So this is what it's looking like after one coat of clear coat. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more, but it's looking really good. And then after we do one more clear coat, we're gonna take it off and show you what it looks like underneath.
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
All right, so it's the next day. We waited overnight just to see how smooth it would be and stuff. So it's not the best. What we're gonna do is hit it with a little bit of 1000 grit right here. See if we can smoothen it up just a little bit more and probably lay a little bit more clear. Because other than that, I think the red came out good.
Yeah,
it's just really that gloss that we want.
Yeah, it looks so good and bright. It's a bright red, candy red.
Right, and I mean, like, it's on the back. I mean, it really doesn't matter, I guess, too much.
If it's super shiny, but we just want to get it as best as we can.
Right, exactly.
As you can tell, he's just lightly going over it with that 1000 grit. Very lightly, gonna make it all smooth, and then we'll do that clear like we said. So we sanded it all down. It doesn't look too bad. Oh, we sanded it and wiped it down actually. I just finished wiping it. And then this is what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and do one more coat of red.
Yeah, we missed a little spot.
And it was really windy yesterday, so.
Yeah, it's not as windy today.
Okay, so while the diffuser is drying, we're taking out the little air vents because we painted ours red. So we're gonna go ahead and repaint those as well because it's been years. Ooh. We're gonna repaint these, put them back in there, and now he's gonna take off the diffuser. So whenever the other one's ready, we just put it on.
There's probably supposed to be some screws down there, but our rear bumper exploded that one time. So we're just using zip ties, you know, nothing crazy. But so I took off the couple zip ties that were barely holding it on. I mean, this thing is beat, as you can see.
Bye-bye, diffuser.
You can tell it's been around the block a few times.
Just a few. So yeah, all broken. You know, time for a new one. It's been years, so. All right, so now I'm gonna use that same sandpaper we used before, sand down these little air vent things. All right, now we're gonna spray paint them red. We just sanded them. Coat number 1. All right, so we did a couple clear coats on this, the red diffuser. You know, we might do one more, but it's looking really good. I'm excited. This is what these are looking like. We did all the red. Probably one more layer from the top, and then clear, and then we'll be done with those as well. So this is what it's looking like. I think we're all done.
Here comes the good part. We're about to unpeel it.
Yes, very satisfying. Ready?
Still a little wet. Looking good. We just gotta keep peeling, I guess. Oh, looks like we got a little overspray right here on the bottom.
If you saw we had a little overspray before. Okay, sorry about the tornado siren. If you saw we had a little overspray before, We just used a little bit of 99% alcohol on a little napkin. Got that right off for the most part. And then he had to drill the holes. All right, so here's right before we put diffuser on. All right, and now that these are ready to go, we're gonna put these in these little vent things. It's gonna look so good.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message. I love you. Now, back to our show.
So that's the final look of the diffuser. It looks nice.
Yeah, this is what we had before. I mean, you could definitely tell we had to replace it.
Yeah, this that candy red, and this that.
It's like more of a flat red, honestly.
Yeah, and it's probably been faded over time. And that's the difference. That's crazy.
Thank y'all so much for watching. If this is the type of content you like, don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, and comment down below if you like this color, what other color you would like to do. But also, if you decide to do this to your diffuser, tag us in it because we want to see it.
Right, I want to see this because, man, it looks. Look at it again. Look at it from the back. Oh my God.
Like you pull up behind us at a light and you see this, you're like, ooh, wait a minute, a diffuser.
Right. Like, okay, we'll pull up a regular SRT charger, and now look at this.
Boom.
Bruh.
Sexy.
Hell yeah, we got it looking right. What would y'all even think about making these red? The charger and the RT. What are we thinking? I don't know. Just some options that we have.
Yeah, comment down below. But we'll see y'all next time. Thank y'all so much for watching.